Hi there, YouTube. Today we're going to make. I'm I'm going to show you how to make um, Dubai chocolate from scratch. The first thing we're going to have is show you frying pan, butter. I'm using German butter in this project. This is chocolate syrup, but in real life you're going to use melted chocolate. This is just for the video. I'm using chocolate syrup just to show you. And pistachios. I bought mine already shelled to make it easier. And garlic powder. And this is khedive. Can you say it? Khedive. It's pronounced with K-H-A-D, and I don't know how to spell it out, but I can pronounce it khedive. And they use it to make, the Armenians use it to make helve. I mean baklava, not helve. Khedive baklava. But today we're making Dubai chocolate with it. Now, first thing we're gonna do to make this is I'm gonna get 1 spoon of butter, like this, and there it is, see? Okay, I put the butter in, and then I'm taking out my khedive as fast as I could for the video. There we go. And this is what the khedive looks like right here. Can you see it? It looks kind of like angel hair pasta, the type that's all frizzy, but it's khedive. It's kind of thinner and it's more brittle. There. I put my khedive in the pan. I put my butter in the pan. Now I'm frying it. There. Now I'm going to take the pistachio nuts and opening it like this, see? And putting it in here like this. And you just pound it out like that. Alright. Okay. Next, I'm going to get this right here, cup, dessert cup, and I will take the pistachios, crushed like this, see, they're crushed, then finally, I mean not finally, but next, I get my khedive, just pretend it was golden brown, the butter pan, will look something like this. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. See that? It's mixed up with the pistachios. There's the pistachio. There's the khedive, like this. And yes, I'm Armenian, but if you find this at an Armenian restaurant, just to let you know, it's 100% pure Arabic. Normally Armenians don't make it, but it does help the business since it's been the latest craze around here. Finally, you pour the melted chocolate on top, just like this. It's just for show. It's not really fried, but I'm just showing you. And that melted chocolate will later cool down, and when you really make it, it's going to cool down, and then that's it. After it cools, you can enjoy it. If you want it, it can be a pudding, and you can call it Dubai chocolate pudding. Same, they do that too. And all right, enjoy. Bye bye.